Let's get straight to it. 2015 Chrysler 200. This is the V6 3.7 liter engine. You can see it a little bit from the top right here, but not a lot. You really won't be able to do much from up here, and you definitely can't get it out from up here without removing a lot of stuff. So let's go on underneath and see what we got. Okay, so from the bottom here, we can see the alternator right up here on top of the AC compressor. However, the bad part about this is you are going to have to remove this AC compressor. Now, the easy part is, or the good part is, it's not hard. It's just 3 bolts to remove this. You're not going to have to remove your refrigerant lines or anything like that. Just unplug these harnesses, and you have 1 bolt here. You have another bolt here, and then there's a bolt on top. So I can feel that bolt here. You can't see it, but you can feel for it. So if you get those 3 bolts out, and of course the belt, you have to remove the belt anyway to change the alternator. So we're not worried about that. So once you get that belt and these 3 bolts removed, then you can just hang this out of the way. Like I said, it sounds harder than it is, but it's not that hard. You're gonna have way more trouble trying to go up from top and move all those AC lines and everything out of your way. You're gonna have a real hard time that way. So just come down here, hit these 3 bolts, undo the connectors, and let this hang. Of course, you're gonna do the belt first, and I'm gonna show you that as well. So I'm gonna get you a closer look up here at the alternator. So you have 2 bolts right here that's holding this alternator on. You have a plug right there that plugs it in, and the hot wire right there behind it. And your last bolt for it is actually, you're going to be able to see it better. You can see that last bolt better when you come from the side here. It's actually right there. That's the last bolt for it right there. So once you get this plastic cover off here, you can see your belt. And so there goes the alternator up there. So that's your tensioner. Put a 1/2-inch drive in there, turn that counterclockwise, and that will loosen up your belt. You can remove your belt from your, you only have to remove it from the alternator itself.